Hello, hello. Peaceful and nice, beautiful day actually, I would like to say, here in Amed today. Look at the Agong. And what are we gonna do today? Well, we're gonna mess about sidemount a little bit because Pierre is back. He's gonna stay for a week, so we're gonna mess around not only sidemount but also technical diving, because Pierre wants to get better in all these things and more confident. And I think we're gonna have a really good week, really good and interesting week with incredible diving, with a lot of new things for Pierre, a little bit also interesting stuff for me. So it's gonna be, let's say, all the next week will be week of technical diving. Of course I will film something else, but that's the majority of all the footage what waits you in the next week. All equipment prepared. Now we will go in a boat and we'll start to work on skills. Remember, there is a bungee. This thing fell out. Yeah, here. Make it bigger. Ready to go. Hello. Yesterday we just did a training and that's why I didn't show anything. And we did a dive at our house reef, which is great for macro photography, but it's not really interesting for filming with a GoPro. Today I'm planning to do one dive at the new wreck or a marina wreck, where we can do some penetrations, really simple ones, because it's like, you know it from the previous videos, it's just a simply speedboat laying down at some 20 meters, perfect depth, perfect position, and we're gonna do some penetrations. It will be interesting. I haven't been there for a couple of months. Hello, hello. Our plans are changing, same as weather at the moment when it comes close to the rain season. Agong looks beautiful today. Original plan for today is to go to the Liberty and to do 2 dives. One dive at Liberty Wreck, another one Coral Garden. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We're waiting for a couple of people, and then we will see what they will say, what they will want. The Sonny got the new boat. He's working on that part which allows to beach out or exit on a beach. You've seen that from my videos when they just running out, speeding up and then running out on a beach. Maybe in the future you will see us diving from this boat as well. Who knows? And a little bit of Bali update. Starting October 14, Bali is going to be open for international flights, and tourists from some countries will be able to come to Bali for the tourism reason, so visas will be on arrival. And in list of these countries are Dubai, Abu Dhabi, New Zealand, China, South Korea and Japan. There have been also interesting things going on in Kuta. They use the concrete to close all the 17, as I heard, gates to the beach. Finally they remove them, just simply because people go to the beach and they don't take phones with them, with all these QR codes, because they go surfing, so where to put the phone, so they remove them again. All right, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.